Welcome back to the 5-Minute Procurement series. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to mastering win-win negotiation strategies in procurement. Did you know that 80% of procurement professionals say negotiation is the most critical skill for success? But here's the catch. It's not just about getting the lowest price. The best deals create value for both your business and the supplier. So how do you negotiate effectively? Let's dive in. The 3 phases of negotiation. Every successful negotiation follows 3 key phases. 1. Preparation. Define your target price, deal breakers, and alternatives. 2. Negotiation. Use structured communication, persuasive techniques, and benchmarking. 3. Closure. Secure the deal with clear terms, pricing, and performance expectations. Think of it like a chess game. You need a strategy before making your first move. The mutual gain approach, creating win-win deals. One of the most powerful strategies in procurement is the mutual gain approach. Here's how it works. Understand the supplier's needs. What matters most to them? It's not always just price. Offer incentives beyond cost. Consider long-term contracts, bulk orders, or faster payments. Find shared interests. Collaborate on cost reductions through efficiency improvements. Avoid zero-sum thinking. Instead of pushing for discounts, focus on mutual growth and long-term partnerships. For example, a global retailer saved millions by streamlining logistics with suppliers, benefiting both sides. Top negotiation strategies for procurement success. Here are 5 proven strategies to elevate your negotiation game. 1. BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Always have a backup supplier for leverage. 2. Cost breakdown analysis. Ask for detailed pricing insights to uncover cost-saving opportunities. 3. Leverage competition. Let suppliers know other vendors are bidding to secure better offers. 4. Volume-based discounts. Negotiate bulk order rates for long-term savings. 5. Relationship-based deals. Building trust leads to better pricing and service from suppliers. But wait, let's talk about 2 game-changing tactics: anchoring and walkaway points. Anchoring, setting the tone for negotiation. Anchoring is a powerful tactic where you set the first offer to control the negotiation. Here's how to use it effectively. Make the first offer. By setting the initial price or terms, you influence the entire negotiation. Use data to justify your anchor. Back your offer with market research, benchmarks, or historical data. Avoid overreaching. A realistic but favorable anchor builds trust and keeps discussions productive. For example, if you're buying raw materials, start with a price lower than your target to anchor the conversation in your favor. The first number on the table often sets the tone for the entire negotiation. Walkaway points. Knowing when to stop. A walkaway point is the limit you won't go beyond. It ensures you stay firm on key terms. Protects your interests. Prevents agreeing to bad deals that harm your business. Gives you confidence. Strengthens your negotiation position. Prevents emotional decisions. Keeps you focused on logic, not pressure. For example, if a supplier's minimum price is beyond your budget, it's time to walk away and explore alternatives. Always define your walkaway point before entering negotiations. It's your ultimate safety net. Common negotiation mistakes to avoid. Even seasoned professionals make mistakes. Here are 3 costly traps to avoid. Focusing only on price. The cheapest deal often comes with hidden risks like poor quality. Failing to prepare. Entering negotiations without research weakens your position. A well-prepared negotiator secures better deals with fewer risks. Unclear contract terms. Always clarify conditions, penalties, and payment schedules up front. Procurement negotiation isn't just about price, it's about securing long-term value and building strong supplier relationships. In our next video, we'll reveal how to manage suppliers effectively for ongoing success. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and stay ahead in procurement. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best deals are the ones where everyone wins. See you in the next episode of the 5-Minute Procurement series.